switch is an on-off device. On-off device which breaks the circuit or connects it, which is used to break or connect the circuit. Am I right? Any issue? क्यों हंसी आ रहा है आपको? Some problems. Okay. Now switches are of two types. They are dipole or they have a single. Single pole switch मतलब क्या? On किया, on हो गया, on किया, connection बन गया, connection बन गया, off किया, connection टूट गया. What about by dual switches or 2-point switches? You also call it a dipole switch. They are connected to one appliance from two different points. So usually an example of staircase switches, long lobby switches, and for us lazy people, obviously bedside and entering the room. So this is, technology makes us lazy. It caters to us being less and less active. That is the point of technology. So that's why we have it. अभी रूम में इधर भी है क्या, इधर भी है क्या? इस तरफ घूम के अगर फोन देख रहे हो तो इधर से बंद कर दो. इस तरफ घूम के अगर फोन देख रहे हो तो इधर से बंद कर दो. That was, what is the problem? Technology है तो I can use it anyhow I want to. But that is the purpose of my dual or dipole switch. Let's try to understand the mechanism of a switch. Again, switch is connected to which wire?
Live.
So switch is always connected to live wire.
Yes.
To live wire. Also, switch is connected after the fuse.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So how do we connect the switch? If I have my mains here, the live wire will exit the mains. The live wire will first have a fuse,
Yes.
which we have already studied the reason for it. Then we will have a switch or a key, whatever it may be. This is the switch, this is the fuse. Then we will have the appliance. And now this wire becomes the neutral wire. ये neutral कैसे बनता है आपको समझ में आया ना? हाँ, बता दीजिए. And then it comes back to the circuit and completes the cycle. Understood? So when switch is on, this is on or off? On. Off. This is off. When switch is off, that means no current is flowing through the circuit. And when switch is turned on, so how do we show it? We show it like this, isn't it? So again from mains, when I am making my connection, this is my fuse, and now the switch is turned on. So when the switch is turned on, my appliance is functional, current is flowing. So here current will not flow. So we don't care about the live or neutral wire. Here we have the live wire. Here it becomes the neutral wire, and it completes the circuit. Is it clear? Is it clear? What if I connect this? What if I connect the switch in the neutral wire? Let's see. When we connect the switch in the neutral wire, okay. If I connect the switch in the neutral wire, what happens?
It will break the connection, but after electricity has passed
After
through the
electricity has passed through the circuit, so again it is doing its job of breaking the circuit. However, the appliance is already electrified, isn't it? Already there is electricity in the appliance. So what happens when we connect it to the neutral wire? When it's in the on position, it allows the current to flow as it should flow. It flows, it completes the circuit. However, what happens is when we are turning it off, a certain amount of electricity has already passed through the appliance. So let me read this part for you so that I don't miss anything. In the on position, it allows the current to flow in the bulb, and in the off position, we are talking about if the switch is connected to the neutral, if the switch is connected to the neutral wire, so how will the diagram be? I have my mains, this is my live wire, this is my fuse, this is my appliance, this is the neutral wire now, this is my switch. ठीक है? This is off. ऑफ पोजीशन में है तो कोई टेंशन नहीं, क्योंकि सर्किट कंप्लीट ही नहीं हुआ तो करंट फ्लो ही नहीं करेगा. बट ऑन पोजीशन में क्या होगा? लेट्स दिस इज माय मेन्स, फ्यूज छोड़ो अभी, अप्लायंस, दिस इज माय न्यूट्रल, दिस इज माय लाइव वायर एंड the switch is turned on, so the circuit is complete. If the switch is turned on, the circuit is complete. However, if I see there is any fault in the instrument, right? If it is, it can be short circuited or there can be any reason whatsoever for it. आप लोगों ने short circuit और excess ये साइड ही तो जाएगा. No, beta, switch is not responsible for changing the direction of current. Current will come through live wire only. Switch आप किधर भी लगा दो. So what happens now? If the line is faulty, if the line is faulty, I will realize it through the appliance, because the appliance will stop working, make a sound, get heated, lot of those like characteristics. क्या बोल रहे हो?
But fuse
We are just talking about. That's why I have not drawn the fuse over here. हाँ मैं करूँगा. I will teach you. श्वेता मेरा handwritten notes household का दे देना. So one second. Switch का भी बात करें. सिर्फ switch का बात करें. Fuse नहीं है picture. So what will happen over here? So after turning off the switch, still there is some current in the appliance or not?
Yes.
There is some current in the appliance because ये एक round तो ये complete कर चुका है circuit, isn't it? So what will happen in this case? The current will again remain in the appliance. If the current remains in the appliance, even if I switch it off and repair it, it will still have the current in it and there are chances of me getting electrocuted. Right? So let me use. It allows the current to flow in the bulb and in its off position. No current passes through the. Okay. One second. I'll take it from the top. It is deceptive and dangerous to connect a switch in neutral wire. Okay. Switch is connected in the neutral wire. एक diagram दिया है आप लोगों को. This is basically what is the diagram. You can look at the book. In the on position, it allows current to flow in the bulb, and in its off position, no current passes through the bulb. Right? In its on position, it allows the current to flow through the bulb. In its off position, it does not allow any current. So as a switch, it is performing its duties.
Yes.
Thus the switch serves its purpose. But in the off position of the switch, the appliance remains connected to the high potential terminal through the live wire. This is the high potential terminal. It is staying connected to the live wire or not? Yes, it is staying connected to the live wire which has carried some current. Okay. Although no current flows through the appliance because the return path is incomplete, in this condition it is not safe to carry out any repairs in the appliance because touching the live wire or in the appliance, the current will pass through the body. Why will the current pass through the body? The path of least resistance. And he may get a fatal shock.
So what in that case, how would you repair that?
You will have to switch off and you will have to remove the wire and you will have to repair it. Because उसके सॉकेट से उसका जो वायर का कनेक्शन का 2 पिन हो या 3 पिन हो, उसी से तो करंट फ्लो कर रहा है ना. तो वो उसको अगर निकाल लिया हमने, वायर को ही निकाल लिया, पूरी तरह से डिस्कनेक्ट अगर कर लेते, then we can repair.
हाँ.
Yes.
But what if fuse लगाया है but switch is ahead of the appliance?
I have already explained that. If switch is ahead of the appliance, usually fuse is put before the switch because the current shouldn't reach the switch also. Switch को भी पहुंच गया current, so this is at a high potential. So that's why fuse we put it first so that it shouldn't even reach the switch because switch is something we touch.
But I'm saying that switch is appliance के
वही तो मैम बता रही है ना.
ये क्या हुआ? बाद ही तो लगा.
अरे
अच्छा, पहले
appliance की बात ही है.
वही तो मतलब समझा तो वही ना मैंने. अगर स्विच से करंट स्विच से पास कर गया, it is connected to the high potential. However, after passing through the switch, now we are reaching the fuse. So now if we reach the fuse, now the circuit will break. It still has access to the mains.
No, she's asking switches after the appliance.
So
neutral wire में switch है.
after the appliance, that means the switch is in the neutral wire.
Yes.
तो किया ना डायग्राम तो मैम बता रही है.
ये पूरा चीज किसके लिए बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग? आफ्टर द अप्लायंस मतलब ही तो न्यूट्रल वायर में है.
Okay.
I think you people are not understanding the concept of neutral and live wire. Let's see. All the appliances are connected through a 2-pin or a 3-pin. All the appliances are connected. Let's take a 2-pin wire. 2-pin wire है ये, 2-pin connection socket. 2-pin socket है ये. 2-pin socket पे राइट हैंड साइड में लाइव वायर जाएगा. आपका राइट हैंड साइड कौन सा है? So ये लाइव वायर जाएगा. तो मैं इधर ड्रॉप कर दूँ because यहाँ से ठीक है. Fine, I'll show the live wire. This is the live wire. This is the how where the neutral wire will go. वायर अंदर न्यूट्रल का डालते हैं हम, जो न्यूट्रल के साथ कनेक्शन होता है ना रिंग में, उसको हम कनेक्ट करते हैं न्यूट्रल से. कलर चॉइस. So neutral wire has entered. Neutral wire has entered from here. Live wire has entered from here. How is the circuit complete? This is what? This is my socket. Now in this socket I plug it in. I put it inside these two holes, right? So what happens is that now this is connected. This is the live wire, and this is the neutral wire which is connected to the object, the appliance. Understood? Now what will happen? ये live wire से क्या आएगा? Current आएगा. ये यहाँ पे inside this electricity is going to be used to work this appliance. After that, it will exit the body through this. So what the connection point जो है, वहाँ से ही वो exit करेगा. वो loop complete हो रहा है, इसीलिए circuit complete हो रहा है. समझे? Live wire अलग से कुछ नहीं होता. Live wire is from this socket. And when we are talking about, so we will study sockets in detail. Do you understand this? So you understood the concept of live and neutral.
एक ही वायर है ना, बस एक लाइव होता है.
वायर दो है. एक वायर कैसे हुआ? दो वायर.
एक वायर
दो अलग-अलग वायर है.
दो अलग-अलग
वो अलग-अलग वायर है. This is connected to the live of the ring. This is connected to the neutral of the ring. And the live of the ring is connected to the live of the appliance ring. मतलब I am saying building के बाहर का live से connect हो रहा है. समझे? Understood?
So these you are pulled out of the ring wire.
ये pulled out होगा तो circuit कैसे complete होगा? Now if I pull out then I am breaking the circuit, no?
Okay. अरे वो रिंग में से आपने बोला था ना.
Yes, ring में से दो point, वहीं से तो ये सारे points बने हैं. All these points are parallel to the ring. All the points you see in the house are parallel at their individual capacity with the ring. Is it clear?